Good job. Yeah. Be soft. Oh. What? You want him on your lap? Do you want me to sit on your lap? On your head? Be soft. Oh, good job being soft. Can you say hi?
Hi.
Hi.
Hey.
Yeah.
Meow.
Meow. What does a hamster say? I don't know either. Hi.
Hi.
Do you want to eat him? You want to eat him?
Hey.
No.
He's too scared to get eaten.
Did you get that one?
Huh?
Say hi. Okay, can you tell him bye-bye? Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. He's going to go back in his cage now.
No, Mom.
Okay, say bye-bye.